Well, here we are at Cofton Park for the Longbridge Rally 2019. We've got a Rover 800 here. We've also got Rover 75 here, Mark 1. MGF. MGZR. Customisation there. Various cars across the side here. Very successful this year. A lot of cars turn up, a lot of people, a lot of enthusiasts, ex-workers and owners. In Cofton Park. They've been coming for the last 5 years. They've got 40 MG Rover cars. He's been told he can't buy anymore. I think there's 40 in the family. There we are. Modern range, the later range of MGs here. Latest range, we've got the Rover 800s here as well. Getting quite rare, some of these. And the Rover SD1s. And all the MGs as well. Very rare Sherpa auto sleeper conversion there. And we have also got Rover P5B. And also got some Germans here. Some Germans, French, Belgian and a Dutch. A few Dutch here. From abroad, there we are. This is actually for sale, this one. There are 58,000 miles. Happy around, as you can see. 11,950, there we are. Service history, there we are. Rover P5B, and I think the Queen had one of these. I don't know if they still got it. I expect Prince William or Harry will give it a spin round Windsor or something, I expect. There we are. There's Rovers here, MGs, automobilia stands. You've got the Allegros here. French here. Here's the Allegros. Colin Cogg is here. I think he's got 2 cars here. He's got a Rover 75, and also I think this is his as well. Top of the range Allegro there. Allegro SS, I know that's his. So, Allegro Van der Pla here. There we are. Rover SD1. There we are. Rover 800. A-Reg this one. Alright. It's got the non-standard. Is it leather? Non-standard leather there. No, it wasn't standard in those days. Princess Van der Pla Allegro there. Always something different. 820 SI Rover 800. Various cars, it even looks like carpet on the floor here. Red carpet perhaps, green carpet. Might be a bowling pitch being Cofton Park. There's Rover 800s. I don't think anybody else is coming in. Mini Clubmans here. Keith Woodfield's Minis here. Sadly Keith died. So family are keeping here, but it's for sale. I told you we can't ride it back in the week. 2006 Rover. Sorry, MGZS. Now that would have been probably owned by a finance company, and certainly they closed in the 05, so it would have been registered a bit later, I think. Yeah. Looks like 2 litre V6 there of MGZT. 190 brake horsepower. There's cars and a good turnout here at Cofton Park for the Longbridge Rally. Also I see an Allegro Mark II here. A few Morris Minors. Rover 105S there. Interesting commercials as well. Here they are. Riley 1300. Austin Cambridges as well. Later MG range, MG6, MG3s. There we are, that Rover. The Riley. Austin 1300. Morris Minor there for sale. Rover 105S there. A few commercials. Strawberries. That is actually a Vauxhall made here. Although perhaps they made someone, the license certainly may have used some Longbridge parts with a Land Rover. Austin Allegro. There we are, this is the 3, but it's actually the Mark II, I should say. Probably a minor update, probably that's the 3, but there we are. New man had one of these, had done well over 100,000 miles. He even got flooded out, still got it dried out and got it going again. Just shows how old technology is the best for longevity, because certainly a modern car, computerization and all the rest of it would have just flooded out and been scrapped probably. This one, these go on and on and on. Good condition as well there. Morris mine 1000. There we are. The MG Magnet, there we are. MG6 Magnet, there we are. You can see so many of those. There's more of the hatchbacks. I don't think they make those anymore. MG are the new range cars they are here today. Along with the old with the new, classic vintage sports cars. Or certainly majority made at Longbridge, or made by the company.